No, not video. Well, hello, friends. In what is going to inevitably be considered an ill-advised idea, I've decided to go camping. You may notice that it is raining dramatically, and I'm actually going to splash through a big puddle in a second here. We'll cut to the big puddle. Oh yeah, we're hitting this thing. Yeah, all of Eugene is flooding out right now. Oh, another big puddle. Oh, this is fantastic. This is what I like driving my truck through. And city streets with puddles in them. Anyway, so I'm gonna head out to Eastern Oregon today. Not real Eastern, I mean, I guess Central Oregon, depending on where you live. Eastern from me. I'm gonna go over the Cascades. I'm gonna go up to Paulina. I always say it wrong. Paulina? I think it's Paulina. Whatever. But I want to see if I can drive the top of that today. Come back down. Go over to the Fort Rock area. And Nate Zoinks is giving me a secret place to go hang out over there. And then the next day, I'm kind of doing about a 4-hour loop, mostly on pavement. And depending on the rain, that might be the best idea anyway. But we'll be going down to Silver Lake and Paisley. I'm going to go up to the Paisley Caves there, which is where the first evidence of human DNA on North America was found. Which makes sense because this is Indigenous Peoples Weekend, and I have Monday off, which is why I'm doing this. And then we'll cap it off. I don't know, it depends what the web looks like. The thing is this is a true solo. I don't have the dog with me, I don't have any kids with me, I got no family with me. I have a rough plan, but I have until Monday afternoon to get home. And it right now is Saturday morning. So I could go on that thing, or I could just drive to Vegas. I mean, I'm not going to drive to Vegas, I hate Vegas, but I could, is the point. Anyway, I packed light this time. I mean super light. The only food I brought is some goldfish crackers, some juice, and 2 bags of Soylent. I did not bring the chainsaw. If it's necessary this time of year, it's screwed. I did bring my winch just out of paranoia. I imagine it'll sit in the back of the truck the whole time. That's what it usually does. I think that's it for now. I'll go get gas in La Pine in a couple hours and then we'll move on. Bird on my truck. Get off my truck, Stellar J. There's no food for you. Don't drop the camera. Don't drop the camera. Hello friends, so we are, let me try that again. So we are, right now, I'm going to say it wrong, Paulina Lake. We're right by Paulina Lake, we're driving up Paulina Peak right now. I'll probably switch over to dash cam. It's not bad down there, but up at the top of the peak it looks like it's socked in. And the bad weather seems to be moving in, so we're going to drive up here. Apparently it goes to one lane, and then It's challenging for Honda Accords, so I don't think we have too much to worry about. It's not that far either. It's only 3.6 miles. So we're going to drive up there, and we're going to see what there's to see. I might hang out and have some lunch, and see if the... all right, pavement ends. That's what I'd like to see. And see if it clears up, so I can see the view from up on top of Paulina Peak. Because right now it looks like it's deeply in the clouds. So this is really talking about one-lane road. This is super wide too. So this road is easy, but it's washboard as hell. Of course, I get on the camera at the part where it's not washboard. And as you can maybe see out the windows, yeah, I can't see. I have about 100 feet visibility. So it is, it's foggy up here. To see at Paulina Peak today. Right now, it basically looks just like that. Snow on the ground though. I take it that bolt is the peak. So I took a little walk around. Snow on the ground. It's 8,000 feet here, apparently. 7,000 I saw the sign. I guess we get 8. That crowd over there, I guess they're proud they just did a 100-miler. Ran all the way up here. He's in shorts. And there's snow. But yeah, it is totally socked in. I can't see more than... I mean, you can see the fog at about 30 feet. So I'm having goldfish. And breakfast of champions, Soylent. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner of champions. I didn't do a video of making it because it's too cold outside. And windy. It's really bonkers out here. Anyway, lunch. Alright, so heading back down now. It's 38 degrees up here. I'm guessing without the wind because my hands were just freezing up. And it was cold enough. It almost blew me off the mountain a couple times when I went up high. And then my air pressure in one of my tires, which was at 26, went down to 23 and set off my warnings that it was too low a tire pressure. So anyway, that's an interesting place to go. I'd like to go back when it's nice out to see how far you can see. But just under 8,000 feet up here, and it's an easy. It's an easy drive. I saw some Accords. There's some chop on there. I did literally see a Honda Accord. There's some washboard, but it's fine. It's weird though, because it was definitely the feeling that the things you look up were like, oh, it was kind of sketchy. I'm guessing people driving Accords are the ones saying that. But no, that was A-okay. Ooh, it's blowing. Hello friends, I'm in the parking lot at Fort Rock right now, and here comes the rain. We're going to give it a few minutes, see if it passes over. I can see the storm cloud right there. We're going to wait for a little bit, and I'm going to probably go walk around the Fort of the Rock. The Fort Rock. Ooh, windy. Tonight's going to be a mess. So, I'm in the spot that a friend of mine suggested. I will post his Instagrammy thing down there. Maybe? That seems like a good thing to do, right? I'll ask him first. Anyway, I'm in the middle of a desert. But that's Fort Rock, right there. So that's pretty cool. And I'm camped right there. So, I'm all set up. It's only like 4 o'clock. But these storm clouds, I mean, I'm actually in a nice spot right now. I've got sun on me, but look at that nastiness over there. I think that's going like that way. So that's good. And the wind seems to be coming from over here behind me, and that looks nice. So hopefully I won't get blown to pieces. It's super windy up here. Boy, I almost wonder if I shouldn't come drive further down here and set up. It's a lot less windy down here. Anyway, I'm just walking around following the cow tracks. I don't see any cows, I just see the tracks. But yeah, I'll go up on top of that hill. Well, I've made it to the top of the little butte here, and wind is blowing from this direction, and that's the clouds that are in that direction. So I think I'm gonna go batten down my hatches. That doesn't look fantastic. It's not supposed to rain today. At least not here. Hello. So it's 5 o'clock, and I just got my thing all set up here, and I want to see how noisy it was with the wind, and the answer is crazy noisy. But I want to do a quick run through of what I keep in my tent after, you know, having had this thing for about a year. Actually, almost exactly a year now I've had this. So let me show you. Alright, so first off I have this, what is this thing? It's a Teton Sports 0 degree double width. That's why I'm inside of it, so I can show the width here. Double width sleeping bag. So I can have that foot way over here and that foot way over there, which is perfect, because a regular width sleeping bag makes me feel all claustrophobic. I have my buddy here, which I actually very rarely have used because I haven't, you know, I got it in Thanksgiving, and then I didn't camp again for the better part of a year. And then I got warm. Let's see, I got my Soylent there, big knife there, Beretta there. I've got my, oh hey, I've got my tablet there so I can watch Netflix if I get bored. Let's see, over here, I've got my bag of clothes. I forgot my pillow, so I have my laundry bag stuffed with other clothes. Got my Jackery charger thing, so I can charge my my phone, which I'm currently holding. My watch, my crazy flashlight, which also will jump start my truck, theoretically, and an extra propane tank. And I think that's all I keep up here. You know, car keys, and of course the phone that I'm currently holding. So there you go. That's what I keep in my tent when I'm doing camping. I'm not sure if I can adequately get how gorgeous this is right now,
Look at these clouds. And this is facing east. So the sunset's actually behind me. But these clouds are just beautiful. And they are still going so fast. I can just sit here and watch them blow by. It's really, really pretty. Well, the sun is down. Was it 6:30? I'm not quite sure if you can tell, but the clouds are moving fast. They have been the whole time. The wind down here has calmed down. It was bonkers earlier, but about 5 o'clock, I guess it calmed down. But that's a lot of stormy-looking clouds right over the Cascades. So yeah, I might have a few hours before it starts bombing rain on me again. But it'll get dark before then. I'll be able to see some stars. That'd be cool. So that's the end of day one. Some of you may have figured out the exact spot I am camped at. Nate Zoinks said that's okay. I'm a bit of a spot sharer anyway. I like to believe anyone who is watching my videos is going to leave any campsite in better condition than they found it. Day 2 and 3 will further explore to the east and south. Hopefully it won't take so long to get that video edited. Did I mention this was filmed over a year ago? Shh, don't tell anyone. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, smash various things, don't take any wooden nickels, and always apply the latest security patches. I leave you with this gentle creek down the hill from Paulina, whatever it's called. Have a good day.